Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the topic IMAP and POP3, which is a pull protocol. And POP3 stands for Post Office Protocol version 3. IMAP stands for Internet Message Access Protocol. So in this video we will learn about this basic topics. Okay. So IMAP, as we learned in the previous video, that SMTP is used to send message. So here IMAP and POP3 is used to receive mail. Okay. So difference between IMAP and POP3. POP3 is a simple protocols that allows downloading message from your inbox. Okay. This only allow to download the mail from your inbox to your local machine. Whereas IMAP is much more advanced and allow user to see all the folders on mail server, just like in Gmail. You can see your mail on the server. POP server listen on port 110 and POP with SSL secure server listen on port 995, whereas IMAP server listen on port 143 and IMAP with SSL secure server listen to port 993. Okay, in POP3 the mail can access from single device at a time. So in POP3 we can use, if we have login to our mobile phone only, so I can use the mail on here, that. And on the IMAP we can access the mail on multiple devices, just like I can log in my laptop, I can log in my email, tablet, I can log in my mobile phones, etc. Okay, then to read the mail in the POP3, it has to be downloaded first, but you can read mail in office mode as well. Okay, we have to download the mail first to read the mail in POP3. Whereas in IMAP, the mail content can be read partially before downloading. We can read partial content before downloading. Okay, does not allow users to organize mail and folder. POP3 doesn't allow user to organize your mail and folder, whereas in IMAP the user can organize the mail directly on the mail server. Okay, mail server, it can organize the mail or folders. User cannot create, delete or rename email on mail server in POP3, whereas in IMAP the user can organize the mail directly on the mail server. Then user cannot search the messages before downloading to the local machine, whereas a user can search content of mail for specific string before downloading. We can search the content of mail for specific string before downloading in IMAP. Okay, hope you will understand this topic. Here is no more than this. And about the structure of IMAP or POP3 protocol, it is not so much high level. They just receive the mail. Okay, hope you will understand. If you have any query, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.